Hello everybody, guess what? Today we're gonna go to some place that is very special. We're gonna see something very special today. Actually, I've never seen such something like this in my life, and I'm gonna have a surprise for my two girls, my wife and my family. So you're gonna find out soon, okay? Let's go!
I'll definitely touch that one of these.
Look at this guy right here. Have you ever seen something like this? Does it?
Well, that's how they say hi to you.
Type of
I know, but they're afraid of you. You're just too lively. Yes. I promise.
Everybody,
Oh, so cute!
look at this.
From that area? Now this is
Look at
that's all the
it.
chicken
Oh.
That's not. Is this a prize?
Oh.
Can I touch him? Can I touch? Now this is what a Silkie
Oh.
will grow.
Oh, what is that?
That's a boy. That's a
It's
boy.
gobble.
Oh,
So girls don't have it.
honey, there's the white one over there. Oh
Now
my
these-
goodness.
Those are all her awards because of these.
This is all the award that the chicken has.
Uh-huh.
Oh my
Look at that one. It's
goodness.
doing it just that. Can someone
Call Grandma.
adjust my...
Oh, you know Oh my goodness.
So in love with your chicken.
That's a satin.
Is that?
The new name is satin.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Huh?
Do you have baby chicks?
Yeah.
I bought a couple last time from you, but I would like to get them.
Good girl.
I like that silky one. The one that we got at home is like that too, huh? Oh.
I want chicken.
To the roof? Oh my goodness.
Hi.
That's why I want to bring them here this time.
No, you're fine.
You are so cute.
It's a lot of work.
Look at that yellow chicken. This is my favorite one. He's just so cute. He's the only yellow one on here.
Nothing down. Well, there's nothing down there.
Let's go take a whole look. Try looking at the whole plate. Let's go take a look around. There's something.
Okay, hold on. They are so big.
Female. These are brand.
Baby
Is
chicken.
this a male and that's a female one?
Huh?
He get hurt, huh?
I can't find out where he is.
Oh, this is so cute. He looks like a peacock.
That's the
Oh,
reason he's losing all of his tail feathers.
oh
You
wow.
see all the feathers around here ordinarily. He's
Oh,
got a nice full tail.
wow. That one having a baby, huh? Yeah. Yes, Angela.
Look, we also have some turkeys, and they are very excited to see us.
Hey.
Just showing off. Come over here.
Kitty pie.
Come on, come here. Oh,
Come here. Monster, come. Oh no, he's coming. Oh, Mocho, you scare me. My goodness, little Silkie.
I got them in the other building.
Yeah.
Wanna buy some?
Oh wow. Oh, from the incubator. Look at the cracked shell. I know. Oh! Oh wow! You say the horse is here? I don't even see him until now.
You see the horse?
Yeah, I saw Whoa! I'm the first one. A horse! I want to sit on it. Wait, is that a horse strapping? I know. You think this horse?
Yes.
What's doing, Olivia? He's dancing.
It's scratching its neck.
Oh, I thought he was dancing.
It's gagging.
So right here, these are baby chicks, and it's a combination of the Siso Silkie and the Friso Silkies and the Cochin, different type of special chicks.
I can't believe the horse is out.
Yeah, but she's so smart. She did not come out all the way.
I was. It's near to her, Mommy.
Hmm?
That's a girl. I can tell. Not
She's
because
so beautiful,
not
is
because
it?
she's beautiful. It's because. Come on. She's out, Mommy. We're so doomed.
Mommy wanna see an egg?
Look.
You peek around the
Kathy,
corner
do you
there.
see the egg?
That horse is called a Palomino. Palominos are super beautiful. My Palomino loves and spirit.
Mm. I see some baby horses far away. Over there. Oh, look at
this one. He's so colorful and chubby. Wow, how cute. Check this out. I don't know what we have here. Is this a duck? Olivia, is it a duck or swan?
It's a duck, Mommy.
It's a duck. Her hair looks like she have a very bad hair day. Look, there's more silky. There's different kind of color. We have white, gray, and also some black silky too. I don't think they call gray silky. They call it blue silky. Even though the color to me is more like gray color. Angeline, they're beautiful, right, Angeline?
Should we touch these? Okay.
Is this a boy or a girl?
That's a boy. The one with the ball on its head.
Oh,
is a
look,
boy.
look. No, she might bite you, Olivia.
Look at that.
She's very protected.
He.
Oh, it's a boy?
That boy.
Oh, cutie pie, I cannot see your eye. Look at your hair. Look at the feety hair. You know, to be honest, I never see this kind of chicken in my life before. I only see it on TV, you know, I never see the real chicken like this. This guy is just so beautiful.
At first I thought chicken would no.
You know, at first I thought this is a stuffed animal. I did not know it's a real chicken, like look like this.
There weren't any kind of chicken.
Oh, I think he got locked in here. Hey, buddy.
At first
Hey, buddy, you want to come out?
What did you do,
Hmm?
Mommy? There's a sock.
You have fun today? Yeah? Which one is your favorite chicken? Look, why did he keep moving his neck like that?
Just like one of our chickens.
Yeah, why did he keep moving his neck like that?
One of our chickens keeps on doing that.
Why? Guess what? That white Silky, she just laid some egg in there, and you can see the egg in there. It's so beautiful. See, you can see she laid 3 eggs today. It's kind of cute, but it does not look like white egg. It looks like a pink, off white, a little bit pink.
There's a chicken in there.
Yeah. Look at this one. He's so colorful, but he only have 2 pieces of hair on his tail. It's so cute. Some of this chicken can be very protective to the hand. When they see the human come close to them, they will try to protect their hand, their female. Look at this guy. He running around and look like that he tried to protect Olivia by coming inside.
Thing that looks like a ball on its head is a boy. That one.
Oh, this is a boy too, mommy.
Big white and
It's a boy. Oh, this is a cute little girl. No, you're gonna break your leg. Don't do that.
Yeah, this is a boy.
How do you know it's a boy? He looks so nice. He's not aggressive at all. That's why mommy said you should wear your shoe, Angela. Put his feet down.
Wear these shoes today.
Me too. But we can wash our feet when we get home.
By the way, all you put.
Yeah, Angeline, she gonna miss you. Mẹ sẽ Just come here. Hi, little guy, come. See this one.
Mommy, Silkie is out. Look over there, it's out of the cage.
Oh,
It's supposed to be in here, Mommy.
it's okay.
What in there, right?
No, don't. Olivia, Angeline, let's go home. Daddy gave us a very good surprise today, but let's go home. We need to bring our baby chick home. Hi, chicken. We're gonna see you later. We will come back to this farm very soon. These are some of the chick that we bought at the Silkie chicken farm. And that you can see they're really small and tiny and cute.
And because these guys, that guy will eat them, but getting two mates. Two eat mates. Play mates. Friends. So he will eat.
Look how cute he has the pom-pom on his head. This little one is so cute. It's like an angel wing.
But then blah, 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 blah. I want the other.
So one of the weird thing is this chick, they like to sit on where they play
And
when we have food
Yeah.
for them.
We know they're not ducklings, so if you know,
And they even sleep in here.
yeah, so if you guys know why the chickens are laying and storing food and sleeping there, please, you can tell us.
This one falls asleep. Look, he falls asleep.
Thì nó mê.
And we really surprised us today at the chicken farm. We never see this kind of chicken before. They're all so cute. We love them.